Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to user testing. First, log in to your user testing account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile section. Look for the area labeled Payment Information or Payouts to proceed with setting up your payment method. This is the initial step to ensure you can receive your earnings efficiently. Next, within the payment settings, you will find an option to select your preferred payout method. Choose PayPal from the available choices. It is crucial to accurately enter the email address associated with your active PayPal account. Double-check this information to prevent any delays or issues with receiving your payments. Accuracy here is key for a smooth transaction process. After selecting PayPal and entering your email, user testing typically sends a verification email to that PayPal address. Open this email and follow the instructions provided to successfully link your accounts. It is also important to ensure your PayPal account itself is fully verified and in good standing, as this can impact payment processing. This step confirms the secure connection. Finally, once your PayPal account is verified and linked, remember to save your updated payment settings within user testing. Payments are generally processed on a weekly basis, often on a specific day of the week. You can typically expect your earnings to arrive in your PayPal account within 7 business days after a test has been approved. This completes the setup for receiving your payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.